Are you somebody that's been diagnosed with knee arthritis? Well, today I'm going to be introducing you to the 3 top exercises that we give to people when they have knee arthritis to help strengthen their legs. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. You're watching the 10X Physio channel. This is a channel where we give you all our top tips and tricks to help lead a healthier life. Okay, exercise number 1. You're going to sit on a chair. I'm sitting on a bench here. What we're going to do, our sore knee, we're basically going to straighten that leg up, pull the toes towards you, and then back down. So again, straighten the leg, pull the toes towards you. Again, what we're trying to do here is activate these quads. So we're almost trying to push the back of the knee down. We pull those toes up towards us, back down. And we're going to do 3 sets of 8 of those. And we're going to do that twice a day. So again, just remember, we're sitting on a chair. We're straightening that leg, pushing the back of the knee down, pull the toes up towards you, and then back down. 8 of those, 3 sets, twice a day. Our second exercise today is going to be a straight leg raise. So whenever you do have a knee arthritis, we tend to find that we're a little bit weak up and around this hip area. So this is a very important area that we need to strengthen. So we've talked about previously in other videos about the importance of knee mobility. Obviously we're doing some strength work now, so our straight leg raise is our next important exercise. I'm going to come down and have a lie onto my back here. So I'm coming down onto my back. Okay, now from here we're going to want to work this hip flexor muscle, which is here. So on your back, and all we're doing is lifting this leg straight up in the air and back down. We're back up and back down. And again, for this exercise we want to do 3 sets of 8 repetitions, and you can do that twice a day. Okay, and again, what we're doing, we're helping to strengthen up in and around the hip. That's going to look after that sore knee. Now we're going to continue on with our hip strengthening, and we're going to work on a hip abduction, so more strength in and around this hip, which again will still help to look after the knee. So I'm going to have a little lie onto my side. Okay, so we're coming down onto your side. Okay, so I'm on the side here. I'm going to straighten this top leg out. I have bent this lower leg because that helps to give me a little bit more balance. I'm going to let my top hand just rest onto my hip here. So this hip, this bony bit of my hip, is stacked right over the bony bit below. And all we're doing here is lifting this top leg up and back down again. So we're lifting up and back down. Now again, as this leg lifts, I'm squeezing my buttocks together. So that leg's lifting, squeezing the buttocks, lower back down, we're back up again. I'll just do one more. I really should feel up into those buttocks. And again, we do 8 of those 3 times. So we're doing 3 sets of 8 repetitions, and you're going to do that again twice a day. as long as it doesn't irritate any pain in your knee. One thing again I'm going to say to you after any of these exercises, they should not increase your knee pain. Again, you should also seek a little bit of advice from your healthcare professional who will be able to assess exactly what's wrong with you and what's going to be best for you. But these are 3 very common exercises that we use successfully with our patients who've been diagnosed with knee arthritis. So there you have it. There's our top 3 strengthening exercises that we give our patients who have been diagnosed with knee arthritis. I hope you find them useful. They will definitely start to help increase the strength in around that hip and around the knee. If you need any more advice, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Would also love it if you could subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications button where you are going to get all our weekly tips and all that information. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and you've been watching the 10X Physio channel.